Meet Maya. She's got a birthday gift to wrap, a perfectly rectangular box, and she does not want to waste any wrapping paper. But how does she know exactly how much she needs? That's where surface area comes in. Today, we're going to learn how to unfold a 3D box into a flat shape called a net and use it to find the total surface area of a rectangular prism. Maya's about to discover a skill she'll use for the rest of her life. Before Maya can figure out how much wrapping paper she needs, let's make sure we know what we're working with. A rectangular prism is a 3D shape with 6 faces, and every single face is a rectangle. Think cereal box, a brick, or yes, Maya's gift box. It has 3 measurements: length, width, and height. Here's the key insight. Opposite faces are always identical. That means we really only have 3 unique pairs of faces. That's going to make our job a lot easier in just a moment. Here's where it gets really cool. Imagine taking Maya's gift box and carefully cutting along some edges so the whole thing unfolds flat onto a table. That flat shape is called a net. A net shows all 6 faces of the prism spread out in 2 dimensions. It's like the box took a deep breath and laid down. The amazing thing is, if you fold a net back up, you get the original 3D shape. Nets make it super easy to see every face and calculate how much area we need to cover. Maya's starting to smile. This is genius. Let's look at the net more carefully. A rectangular prism always has 3 pairs of matching faces. First, the top and bottom. They're identical rectangles, both measuring length times width. Second, the front and back, also identical, both measuring length times height. Third, the left side and right side, both measuring width times height. So instead of finding the area of all 6 faces separately, we find 3 areas and double each one. Maya just realized this cuts her work in half. Smart move, Maya. Now let's put it all together into one powerful formula. Surface area equals 2 times length times width plus 2 times length times height plus 2 times width times height. Written out, SA equals 2LW plus 2LH plus 2WH. The 2 in front of each term is because every face has a matching twin on the other side. This formula is your secret weapon. Once you know the length, width, and height of any rectangular prism, you can find its surface area in seconds. Maya's writing this formula on her hand right now. Don't worry, we'll practice it plenty. All right, let's solve Maya's actual problem. Her gift box measures 5 inches long, 4 inches wide, and 3 inches tall. We plug into our formula. SA equals 2LW plus 2LH plus 2WH. First pair. 2 times 5 times 4. That's 2 times 20, which equals 40. Second pair, 2 times 5 times 3. That's 2 times 15, which equals 30. Third pair, 2 times 4 times 3. That's 2 times 12, which equals 24. Now we add 40 plus 30 plus 24 equals 94 square inches. Maya needs exactly 94 square inches of wrapping paper. No more, no less. Perfect. Sometimes your teacher will ask you to draw the net yourself, and that's actually a fantastic way to make sure you haven't missed any faces. Here's Maya's strategy. Start with the bottom rectangle in the center of your paper. Then attach the front and back faces above and below it. Next, attach the left side and right side faces on the left and right. Finally, attach the top face. You now have a cross shape. That's the most common net for a rectangular prism. Count your rectangles. You should always have exactly 6. Maya double-checks hers every time. Let's try a bigger one. Maya's little brother has a cereal box that's 8 inches long, 3 inches wide, and 11 inches tall. Let's find its surface area using our formula. SA equals 2LW plus 2LH plus 2WH. Plugging in, 2 times 8 times 3 equals 48. Then 2 times 8 times 11 equals 176. Then 2 times 3 times 11 equals 66. Now add them all. 48 plus 176 plus 66 equals 290 square inches. The cereal box has a surface area of 290 square inches. Maya's brother is impressed and a little jealous she's so good at this.
Here's a quick but super important reminder. Units. When you measure a prism in inches and multiply to get area, your answer is in square inches, written as IN squared or square inch. If you measure in centimeters, your answer is in square centimeters or cm squared. Surface area is always measured in square units because you're measuring a flat, two-dimensional area. Maya almost forgot to write square inch on her answer, and her teacher would have marked it wrong. Always write your units. It's an easy way to earn full credit on tests. Don't leave points on the table.
Maya wants to share a few traps she almost fell into, so you don't have to. Mistake number 1, forgetting a face. It happens a lot. People find 5 faces and miss 1. Drawing the net first prevents this every time. Mistake number 2, mixing up length, width, and height. Label your prism before you start calculating. Mistake number 3, forgetting to multiply by 2. Remember, every face has a twin. Mistake number 4, leaving off square units. Your teacher will notice. Draw the net, label everything, double-check your 6 faces. You've got this.
One more practice problem. Let's find the surface area of a brick that is 9 centimeters long, 4 centimeters wide, and 5 centimeters tall, using SA equals 2LW plus 2LH plus 2WH. First, 2 times 9 times 4 equals 72. Next, 2 times 9 times 5 equals 90. Then, 2 times 4 times 5 equals 40. Now add. 72 plus 90 plus 40 equals 202 square centimeters. The brick has a surface area of 202 square centimeters. See how the formula works the same way every single time? Maya could do this in her sleep now, and soon you will too.
Maya's teacher gives her one final challenge, a box that is 6 feet long, 5 feet wide, and 2 feet tall. Can you solve it before Maya does? Let's go. SA equals 2LW plus 2LH plus 2WH. First, 2 times 6 times 5 equals 60. Second, 2 times 6 times 2 equals 24. Third, 2 times 5 times 2 equals 20. Adding them up, 60 plus 24 plus 20 equals 104 square feet. Maya circles her answer and smiles. 104 square feet. Did you get it too? You're thinking just like Maya now. That feeling right there? That's what math confidence feels like. Remember when Maya was staring at that gift box, totally stumped? Look at her now. She can find the surface area of any rectangular prism in seconds. Here's your quick recap. A net is a 3D shape unfolded into 2D. A rectangular prism has 3 pairs of identical faces. The surface area formula is SA equals 2LW plus 2LH plus 2WH. And always, always write your square units. Whether you're wrapping a gift, designing a box, or acing your next test, you now have the skills. Practice it a few times and this formula will feel like second nature. You've totally got this. Go be a